Let's see.
Okay, okay. Okay. Alrighty.
Let me see if we can reject off the 650. We're gonna reject off the 650. Okay, no rejection, so no short. Did not reject, so did not short. Let's see what happens now. They are trapping, my friend. Look at this thing. Trappity trapping right now. Still flat, no trades open yet. Even 2 minutes. And it has been, look at, they trapped to the downside.
I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that.
Right there to the VWAP now. We'll see.
I don't want that.
Max had told you it was a long. Oh, God. Oh, I'm never going to hear the end of it.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm out of that. I'm out of it. Let me see. That shit went crazy. That shit worked crazy.
Be patient here.
All right, we. So I was trying to look at this area here. That shit ended up working beautifully.
Respecting the middle of this big candle right here would be ideal, right? I just don't want to get long unless we get some wicks. I want to see some like a big, kind of a nice wick. Got about 30 seconds here. Let this candle close. I want to see that wick. See again, it's just like right there, 660s, no wick here yet. They're just like right back down in here. I'm gonna try this long, but stop below that wick. Let's see if we can't push out of here now. Very nice, very nice. Can we get above 700s? Looking to see if we can't break through 700s, go up there 750s or more, depending on the price action here. Stuck for now. Patience. I'm trying to get through 700. Stuck there for now. I'm giving it some room. Moving might stop now to the 62s. We're only risking 10 points here. I want to keep this going though, and then I'm gonna break 700.
Check the 4-hour chart here.
All right, I'm in. I'm trailing now. I got 20 points. Kind of keep it right there at the 80s for now. See if we can't break through the 720s, and then we'll try to lock in that profit through this push here, through this highs. If we get it. Still trying to go. There we go. I'm now going to trail right below that 700s. I'm going to move this target up a little bit. See if we can't get some more out of it. If we get stopped, we get stopped. Looks really good. Come on. Get one more little push through here, and we're going to lock it in, baby. Right there. Thank you very much. Woo! Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Come on. Who the fuck's Steve?
Ooh, look at that 5-minute Candizi.
I'm hot right now. Look at that. It's still going. It's still going. I want W's. I want W's. If I don't get W's, I'm turning off. Let's go.
About to hit this another demand zone here. Right.
Oh my God. Pumping.
Went right up into this zone here.
With you guys. I showed you the entries. I showed you the exits. I gave you my thought process. Again, to recap,
15 minutes.
Really quickly, let's recap this motherfucker. It's still going higher, by the way. Check it. Are y'all ready for it? So basically, you have this candle right here, big wick. Well, a big move down, comes right back up. This next candle, what did it do? It held the previous, like this middle of that candle. I put my stop at the low here, targeting the breakout here. Guys, this is textbook, right? It's absolute fucking textbook. Again, right? That first 1 minute candle looked very bearish.
So we used this one here.
I want to see what happened. Basically, this candle would go down.
That was a nice one. Check the 1 minute if I delete it. Nice little rejection, take out that bottom wick.
Guys, that's 100 points, by the way. That's 100 points, chat.
That was nice.
That is 100 points. It is still going higher. Look at this. Up there to the 800s now. Come on. If you made money on this push right now, I want them W's. It's either W's or nothing. Everybody understand that? Does everybody understand that?
We should break through the zone here, though.
I want to make it very clear.
If we're going to be bullish on the day,
tell me now.
we should break through the zone.
Still going. Are there any questions? Are there any questions? Other than we just win it. Is this a common setup? 100%. 100% common setup. Again, guys, very simple idea, right? If we're going to build out a bull flag, what do we want to see happen? Right? If we're going to go higher, what do we want to see happen? We want to see the candle that broke the previous candle, right? We want to see that, the middle of that basically be support. Showing us that, like, hey, we have this big push.
I don't know, 1 minute.
That candle, we wicked off the 660s. I got long there at the 72s. I put my stop below the low here. I mean, this is basic trading. Basic trading, my friends. And look, I mean, that's over 100 points. Come on. It's 100 points right now. It's still going.
Yeah, that was a move.
D-Money's going live here at 10 o'clock.
That was a mover. Yeah. Yeah.
Massive push up there. Let's go. Absolutely printing today, chat. Printing. That was, for me, I got some 72 up there to the 25. That's 50 points.
Yeah, that's nice.
50 points all day, every fucking day. Right? Yeah, I will take it. All day, every day. D-Money's coming on at 10 o'clock. The next person who
we're due for a wave here. We're due for a wave here. Little 1 minute, 1 minute demand zone.
There can only be one, guys. There can only be one Daddy Warbucks. All right? And we all know who that is. All right. Hey, what do you do now? What's the next play? Well, we just wait. Right? Be patient. We got a big range here. We broke out the 5-minute range. We are now at that 800 level. We've got some resistance here.
Yeah, what a Candizi.
Friday's high. So kind of going back here again, like I talked about, right? Well, before the market opened today, what did we talk about? We said that daily candle already broke the previous daily candle low. So if it's gonna put in a wick here, well, this is where it's gonna happen. Like that's gonna be the wick, right? So that was my thought process. The fact that we already had that wick low. So we just wanted to see a trap that opened, and then we wanted to see it move. Well, where was the trap at? I think this was clearly the trap, right? We broke this low, and then right back up. You can see that I did not get long until what? Until we basically retested that EMA or the middle of that last big candle. Once we tested that, I had a great overall risk reward. My risk reward was fucking money. Right? It don't get no better. Just look, I can I'm long there off a reactionary kind of level, that low. So I'm long off the 72s. I put my stop right there. I'm risking 20 points to make 50 to 100.
So yeah, right now just waiting and watching, man. Just waiting and watching, man. Waiting to see where's the setup coming from next.
So, am I going to be live tomorrow morning? You never know. Probably. I should be live tomorrow morning. Still trying to pump up.
3 minutes left on a 15-minute candle here.
All right, right now just holding up there. By the way, chat, I gotta say it. Say it again. Warbucks, BTC, we got some big stuff coming, even in the future. I can't tell you exactly what we're doing, but we got some big stuff coming. There's other people that are going into the crypto prop firm space right now. Warbucks, we're giving away one of these weighted Pokemon packs. That's right, it's weighted. So that means 100% that there is a holographic card inside of here. It is $2,000, and you can possibly pull a $10,000 card. So this week on YouTube, we're gonna open the pack. So, yeah, come win some Pokemon cards. $4 BTC. You don't even have to buy anything. There's a form on the front of the website to sign up. So right now, just being patient. Basically, like I want to see some almost like the same setup as earlier, right? Pull back here, wick back up, build out that flag, and then we look for a move higher. Was Ken Golden nice? Yeah, he seemed pretty cool. He said he just bought a house in Florida. I told him he's got to come to BDH. I showed him the BDH. They were like, it was, you know what's the coolest thing is like showing people the BDH, showing people what we do here, and they're just like, I mean, someone like Ken Golden would be like, damn, that's epic. You know, even Logan was like, oh man. He's like, you got that many people watching you every day? 6,000 people? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know how we do. Yes, sir. Winning, baby. Winning. And then the best was all the people in the chat. Guys, you absolutely killed it in the chat on Saturday or Sunday night. Thank you for that. Everybody at the event was like, damn. All of your followers were in the chat blowing it up. BDH, PW, epic. Mimi said, PW, is your channel banned? Can't get over 5,000. We had over 6,000 last week. What are you talking about? I think we did 6,600 last week. The chat is undefeated for being retarded. All right, I'm going to switch over here to D-Money. D-Money's going to go live in the next couple minutes. You ready to go soon, D? What you doing over there? What you and Jason playing tough sticks? Go, man. This guy, I'm like, are you ready? Like, oh, give me a minute. See? See, chat? Daddy Warbucks is ready for you. D-Money's not ready. I guess we got to keep
So yeah, man, just waiting and watching here, trying to see if we're gonna use this zone here. Tricky spot here, I guess. We kind of wick crazy off that zone there, so I really don't like that for longs.
This could be kind of just playing out exactly like we talked about as well for the traps, right? This could be kind of turning into now a big short since we kind of filled the gap there from Friday. Nasty sell-off. Talking about it this morning, this idea of like basically we push up here, we put in a big wick above that range, and then that's when we start to move back down. So it's funny because like the longs and the shorts are getting paid. You just got to know where to get long, where to get short at. We're still inside the 15-minute range as well. you. We want you. I want you, but can't have you.
Is this the 15-minute candle? Yeah. So we're inside that 15-minute candle.
Guys, we're live on YouTube. This is the best Discord in the world. 50 competitor here. You're trying to scam me. That's the best part about the live streams. No one's trying to scam you, chat. Everyone's just hanging out. PW, how do you train your patients at win? Just believe it, man. It's the mental, right? Like I talked about over the weekend. It's the mental, right? You don't become a good day trader just because you read a book. You gotta build up that muscle fucking memory. You gotta know what the pain feels like. You gotta believe it. You gotta love it. You gotta want it. You gotta need it, right? If you're not truly obsessed with it, if you're not truly wanting to win, then what the fuck are you doing? You know, like the market ain't giving out participation awards. There ain't no fucking participation awards in this market. Only thing it's giving out is fuck yous. So don't be that guy. I mean, this is setting up to be a short right now.
The only thing it's giving out is fuck yous.
Right in the middle of that 15-minute range. But this is kind of looking like it wants to sell down here, take out this low again. Watch that 660 break. There you go. 660 is breaking. That's 20 points. Still going. We lose 640s. She's yanking it. All right, we got D-Money coming up in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. D-Money at the BDH. I'm gonna keep those. So if you want to see some, look at that. There you go, chat. That's 40 points. Daddy calling.
We low-key just reversed this area here.
I'll put a link in the chat. We'll be back tomorrow morning. I'm live every day. Well, not every day, but I'm live tomorrow morning at 8:30. I'll be back this afternoon at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. for the power hour. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Come hang out with me. Come make some money. Who knows? Maybe I'll give away some Pokemon cards. I'll see you guys later on. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. I love you. See you on the D-Money stream. Peace to the Middle East.
Ooh. So yeah. Still within the 15-minute candle here.
IronBeam is the industry-leading broker catering to traders worldwide. With the free IronBeam platform and free real-time data, you can trade the most popular futures contracts anywhere and from any device. Low day trade margins, free depth of market, hundreds of indicators, and trading directly off the chart. Makes your trading more powerful than ever. Open an account today to trade with the best. IronBeam.
Smart founders know something most people miss. Get your domain name even if you're not ready to launch your business. With Wix, you can grab yours now and then get to work. Here's why it matters. Back in 2019, I had this killer business idea, but I delayed getting the domain name because I wasn't ready. That was a huge mistake. Someone else grabbed it, built the exact same business I put in, and now they're making all the money that I could have been making. And that's why I'm sharing Wix. Locking down your domain name is crucial. You know, Wix, it's super fast. They handle all the tricky tech stuff for you, making it seamless. And honestly, having a domain name gives your idea instant credit. A domain name isn't just a name, it's a way to claim your space and take your idea seriously. Because once it's taken, you're stuck paying a premier price for it or losing it. So go to Wix right now, search your idea. If the domain is available, grab it.
Order filled.
Taking that short there. Stop at the 78s. 514.
Changes would be so assume everything else from this season, but changes would be solo trios only. Use hatch keys crafted and found mid-range. I cannot bring a hatch key in. And middle fire. We will not be doing the trials again. Good to go. Thank you for the prime, man. Reef for the $4.99. What up, man?
Tightened, smiley face emoji.
So prime. Yeah, I'm gonna be using the Osprey so.
All right. I'm in at 286 here. Stop loss here. It won't sit back.
Doing trials in PvP lobbies, it's the least amount of fun that you'll ever have with PvP. And so I'm not trying to do that, and I definitely don't want to.
Try to hit 450 there. Are we gonna get it? That was 27. 37. 31, 33. We get it, right?
Order filled.
Jeez. Jeez. What a freaking trade, chat. What a trade, chat. What a trade from the 647 down to the 522. God, gee. Hold on, wait. 647. Wait, that's 100-some points, right? Am I tweet? Entry price 647. Yeah, 522. Damn. trying to see how the hell.
That's for everybody, guys. We appreciate the support. Do us a solid if you haven't already. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. And to kind of look at this 1 hour setup here with trade regular rate range, you got 220 top big. So, yeah, just be smart to wait for some kind of a breakthrough. We didn't get short when PW just talked about getting short, guys. Now I gotta chase this down. Wait for something to basically build out, maybe some kind of lower high setup, and then continuation.
So yeah, Chad, after that move right there, you know it's gonna be some consolidation. But the setup was crazy. At first we was looking longs because we had broke above these highs right here. And we got above the VWAP. But then we got up to this demand zone on the hourly and the 4 hour. This demand zone here that started this low. We ran into it and we got rejection off of it here. And I didn't get in yet because I thought that maybe we still go up and use this zone here. You see what I'm saying? Thought we would use this zone to kind of keep this hourly candle up, and then we flipped it. So once we flip, we actually flipped this zone too, to be honest. And so once we got this wick rejection off this level right here, we got in at 47. So right here, 647. After we made that wick off there, so yeah, now we're definitely just probably just done, to be honest. I'm trying to fix my thing here. It's not trying to go with me. It's trying to. Yeah, that was a move. That was a move. But shit, we caught a nice chunk of this move, so I'm not too much mad. I'm trying to put my dang YouTube thing back over here. There we go. So yeah, man. But yeah, man, low key, I'm done, bro. I hit my damn goal early as hell. So I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. But yeah. So yeah, I mean, pretty much this is it right here. We got another box right here. Pretty much that same area. This would probably be an area, the demand zone area to probably touch with. It's the only one I really see right now in the 1 minute. 5 minute don't have one yet. See a 1 minute demand zone. Yeah, like I said, we was comfortable with these shorts when we made this high, this wick right here. We was comfortable with looking at shorts, with that wick being our kind of rejection spot the whole way down. So this whole wick right here, so this being our rejection spot, we kind of had a little, like I said, confirmation that we was at least going to take out this hourly low, which is at like 520. I got out at 22, so yeah, now we're waiting. Might get another touch here. But might be done. Hit my goal on the day. Going 500 a day goal. So once I hit that, I'm pretty much done. I'm not gonna risk anymore after that. I think that's a good profit day, because most of my losing day is usually the opposite, about $500, 450. So right now I'm trying to keep it 1-to-1, with just having more winners, you know. But we're in this area where like we're kind of like chopping down, you know? We're not really closing crazy below the candle here. Chopping up through here. Going back up here after kind of slightly breaking out that. So, yeah.
Okay, so if that ever happened, let me know. I'll just let it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this 50 back off. I really don't I don't think that it don't really keep me out or in trades, you know? But yeah, man, he hit TP early, shoot. I mean, it's pretty, I'm pretty much done. I'm on, I mean, I'm like 95% done. The only 5% is if we get a nice rejection off this area. But like I said, the way we're even going down here, it'll have to be something that look probably even better than this wick right here. You know what I'm saying? As far as a confidence thing. So, but as of right now, yeah, I'm done. I'm done for real. I'm not trying to put on no more risk if I don't have to. And right now, I don't really see it. Like earlier, we had some crazy moves.
We don't actually, not to shade at anybody else out there, but we don't do a ton of giveaways, guys. I know PW does have a crazy giveaway. That he gave out. That's gonna be crazy. So right now, market is wait, right? Because bearish, you had a 100+ point bullish candle on the previous 5-minute candle, right? 15-minute candle right now is still bullish. You got a bearish EMA cross, and I'm interested to see how this candle closes out, guys. Right on the 5-minute chart, so we'll see. Hey D, the 200 EMAs down there at 24,450. On what time frame are you looking at? Because we're below all the EMAs. So basically 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, right? And the daily. So yeah, you're probably talking about the daily. The daily's at 20 for me is at 24,100. So like I said, yeah, they're gonna flush you. There's a lot of room to the downside, guys. Make no mistake about it. Make no mistake about it, guys. So far rejection, right? We could not get back above 24,578, and that's the current daily candles, yesterday's daily candles low, guys. So we're hanging out below yesterday's daily candle low. We're getting a rejection here, right? Price was able to put in a higher high though compared to the previous 5-minute candle and no lower low. So that kind of, that's a little iffy, right? Because you want to see when price is in momentum to the downside, you want to see lower lows, you want to see lower highs and lower lows, guys. So got to keep that in mind. So we'll see what happens. Never fear. The D money shows here. And we're going to see if we can frame something here based off of the volatility that's been in the market, the momentum. But however, a lot of times after the big moves, guys, it slows down a little bit. So we're starting to reject here. Somebody said bear flag. Yeah, it could be building out. I like the rejection that I'm seeing here. Right?
Yeah, trying to get a payout this week, man. So I'm on my daily pretty much my daily lockout shit right now. On my daily lockout shit right now, to be honest.
Previous candle low.
500 a day is 2,500 a week. The magical 10,000 a month.
Bullish push back towards the EMA, guys, and you have rejection, right?
All right, so
I think five.
I'm gonna so- you almost wanna, if you measure this, guys, for a short setup, I'm gonna try a short. Oh wow, this thing dropped, guys. You gotta love it. In a short, guys, targeting previous lows at 460 was up over 15 points, and then it pulled back on me, right? Pretty instantly, I was up.
I really don't
so
like
I'm gonna
that just
try to
because
target these lows, but you're getting a bullish reaction now, right? I think I was up right away, pretty quick, and you're getting a yoke back the opposite direction, guys. So you gotta love it. Sometimes that happens, guys. So I'm gonna close that out. I don't like the reaction on that trade. So sometimes that happens. Got to be quicker to the trigger, I guess. So yeah, pretty instantly, I think, right? I was up, what, 13 points, 14 points, and then you got a yoke. All right, so let's check something here.
I see what they saying now. Like if you catch this move, you're not
Alright.
concerned with this move at all. Like you're not concerned with this. Like this can break to the low, granted, but you're not concerned with this chop right here. But if I miss both of these that long up to that demand zone and then the short pass, then yeah, I'd probably be trying to. I mean, the candle look all right, but I definitely would have tried to catch this though. Like, where's the continuation at now that I want to play? You know.
Guys, come on, man. Good on you, D. Hey, I appreciate it.
What is that?
Guys, I'm rich.
I fucked up because I wondered. I saw people wearing them, and I was just so busy and everything else. I forgot. I had fucking time.
Oh yeah. Yeah, like one of the guys said, yeah, he had it. Yeah, I'm signing.
Yeah.
Well, I was rich for a second, guys.
All right.
She go. Oh man. Yeah, it is. It is. Put Jerome on the card. So yeah, gotta be a little careful here, chat, because just got yoked, right? Was up like 15 points and yoked back the opposite direction. And I'm watching this because you got pretty close to equal lows here on these two candles, right? So gotta be careful here, guys. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see, right? Kind of building up to go bearish. Got exhaustion up there. And we'll let this play out a little bit, right? I see those equal lows to the left. That's a little concerning, but so you had a low of 24,475, guys, and then low of the previous candle, 24,476. So like when it's within a point, a lot of times you get a reaction back the opposite direction. Pretty significantly, right? So it'll pretty much snap up here to like 578. So we'll see what happens here.
Morning, baby. You okay? You okay?
Look at the pump, guys. Man, oh man,
On my
guys.
phone.
It happens so quick. And couldn't even. Oh man.
It's on the
you gotta
charger.
love it.
Gotta let it charge for a little while, okay?
Look at
I
that
just
equal
put it on
low
the
pump,
charger.
chat.
See, it's
It
low.
happened so quick, I couldn't even.
Don't do
Switch
that.
over,
Wait till
guys.
it's charged, okay?
Oh my goodness, man.
Love you.
Wow,
You want me to put something on the TV? You need the remote?
guys. You gotta love it. Well, never fear. We're green, guys. Counts up $550. Let's go.
Yo.
So, yeah, that pump was crazy, guys, right? So look at the equal lows, guys. I'm telling you guys, it prints. So after you sell off to the downside, guys, I called it out, right? 24,475 was the low of this candle with the first arrow to the left. Previous 5-minute candle, 24,476 within a point. And you got a huge bounce, guys. This thing bounced so quick that I couldn't even switch over to the screen. So 69-point reversal, guys. Equal lows. Cray with Lil Ray Ray. So that's something that happens, guys, quite often after a huge sell-off, and that's why I was kind of saying that, right? I got yoked on the first setup because, right, I was up like 15 points and yoked back the opposite direction. Looked to the left, saw the equal lows, measured it out, and then you got a reversal coming up here. So you got to love it. Anybody for equal lows, you talking bodies or wicks? No, I'm talking the low of the candle itself. You got to include the wick. Right? So, yeah, it's a total low. So if you look at, and look at it, it's still pumping, guys. Wow. 99 points to the upside. All right, so Cray with Lil Ray Ray. So if you guys took the equal low trade, guys, drop a W in the chat. I mean, that's unbelievable that right now this thing has rebounded basically 105 points back the opposite direction. But yeah, I mean that's trading, chat.
So this gonna
Right?
be a trick. The
So,
area I was
got
looking
John
at.
basically on the short, saw the equal low and took the long. And man, oh man, look at that reversal. So now, all right, we're back inside of the opening range, guys. Right, we're back inside the 15-minute ORB. So somebody's saying, where would I enter? Well, now you gotta wait because you want to see the reaction now, guys, right? This looks like a W pattern. You can see a double, if you want to call it a double bottom, right? But it's like a W pattern, right? You had a sell-off, you had a push up, you had a two bearish candles, and then I'll push back up. So that could be a bullish pattern. Just gotta wait and see how this thing forms, guys. Obviously took the long on the equal lows. Look at this crazy bounce.
If y'all would have watched the morning show, you know exactly what's happening. I talked about the yank to the top, the yank to the bottom.
Man, ain't talking about yank to the top, yank to the bottom. He didn't say shit about that.
I'm gonna go open some Pokemon cards.
So yeah, man. Hourly, we pretty much done engulfed this last candle here. Not the wick, but the body part.
Hopefully not. Hopefully
Still not a good sign for bulls, I don't think. Yeah, for bears, I don't think. To continue this move down lower, I was kind of looking at this daily candle. We already kind of broke out of this last under this low. We didn't really hold below yet, but if we hold below this low right here,
cash only deals. Yeah.
we could be going to take out this level here. That's in the 200s.
Yeah. Oh man, he knows the guy. Guys, pray for PW. Oh man.
Yeah, so
Yeah, PW will be back at 2 o'clock, guys. Doing power hour 2 to 4. You already know. But yeah, so equal lows, guys. I'm gonna definitely drop a video on that because, guys, that pattern happens quite often. So I was listening pre-market, obviously before I even hopped on stream, right? Heard PW kind of talking about, price was kind of setting up in a range. And when you look to the left here, guys, at this crazy bounce that occurred, guys, and you had this crazy candle of about, it was 100 plus points to the upside, right? It's like 125 points, guys. Look at the lows here. right? The low of the bearish candle was 24,578.50, and the low of the bullish candle was 24,578. So what I've noticed is that if it's less than a point, guys, if it's less than a point, it's like a half a point.
So we're using this
within
zone
the low
here.
of the previous candle, guys.
Interesting,
A lot of times you're
interesting.
gonna get some kind of reversal after a sell-off, right? So keep that in mind, guys. All right, so now gotta wait, right? Let's see what happens with this current 5-minute candle, chat. Meaning that is it going to reject the 14 and 50 EMA and the sellers step back in and take price back to the downside, because you had a nice size reversal obviously to the EMAs, and you had right now you're getting a rejection, right?
That's another wick right there on the 15-minute candle there.
Look at the sell-off, guys. Look at the sell-off right back down so far, right? I mean, cray with little Ray Ray. Almost 187 points down. You had 100 plus points to the upside, and you got 100, right? 150 points almost to the upside, and right now you got a sell-off of 90 points right back down. So never fear volatilities here, guys. So we'll see how this 5-minute candle closes out. PW be back at 2 o'clock. He just said it. He's going to open some Pokemon cards, right? So he'll be back at 2, guys, 2 to 4. Pretty boy, he's saying that this turns him on. I'm not sure what turns you on, sir, but hopefully it's not me. So I'm just saying, hopefully it's the Pokemon cards. Is Trade-of-8 copier working for you? Yeah, it's working. Yeah, look at the rejection here, guys. This is great with Lil Ray Ray, right? 104 points. Right back down. So if you got long, you know,
Yeah.
sometimes it's important, guys, to wait for those retracements, because I mean you just got obviously destroyed if you tried to long from basically 24,633. You got destroyed. I mean, you gotta call it what it is, guys, right? 30 seconds left, approximately, on the 5-minute chart for this candle to close out. We'll see what happens. Buddy, you should try the VWAP. It's a solid rejection point. Yeah, I had it on my chart at one point. I just stick to what I stick to, right? Yeah, it looks like, so somebody's saying it's the equal high. So the high of the candle was 641, the high of the previous candle was 640. So I like it within like less than a point, but I mean obviously that's pretty close, right? I would say if we break below 543, guys, short right, let it build up a little bit, but break back down below 543, we could be ready to challenge 498.
Order filled.
I'll take that short there.
Right?
Just to see if we can kind of, I mean, the setup was there, so.
15 points. See if we can get down here. There's over 15 points, guys. See if this thing drops continuation to the downside, or if it's gonna yoke me, right? Yeah,
I like that play, man. Honestly, I mean, rejected off the 1 minute there. The play is set up for sure.
Here's there you go. Let's see if it continues. Struggling, guys, right? But you want to flush here. Obviously, we had the rejection. All right, so let's see if they can flush this thing. All right, there's 10 points plus. Come on, baby. Having a hard time here, right? Flushing, guys.
Not really.
Man, got snapped again. So I took that off, guys. Right? Was up
Playing
about
like
15 points.
54.
Wanted more continuation to the downside. And wasn't going to give it a lot of room, guys, right? Because of the snapback. Right? Kind of snapping right back up. If it loses, yeah, right now I'm not bullish, guys, obviously, right? We just had a bearish reaction, but to the downside, right? But sometimes you don't get to follow through, guys. Had a couple of trades that I got basically snapped on, right? Back the opposite direction. I still feel that we're going to retest these lows, 461 or lower, because we've already rejected the EMAs with momentum. But it's messy, right? It's not clean, guys. And sometimes that happens, right? I'll rather cut the trade off and re-enter once the momentum kind of steps back into the market. The account's still green because I only gave that probably, what, 10 points. And we'll see what I can frame here, guys.
It is choppy, but stand below the 1 minute EMA. So if we get back above that, we'll probably call
trades, right? The first trade was up 15 points. They yoked it back the opposite direction. This trade was up roughly 15 points. They yoked it back the opposite direction. So,
but
and I
gotta be patient.
A lot of room, guys. If we can take out 510, then yeah, we're probably headed to 460. So maybe I'll be interested there.
That's a nice push out there.
No, you just want the follow through here.
It's a nice candle. Yeah, Lele.
Unfortunately, right? So if we lose 510, that would be an area like where I would say, you know what? Bears are stepping in, guys. We're gonna head lower.
Yeah, we'll cut it right there at 40.
If we can't lose that area, then
about $70.
Could be some trickery going on here after a big move already to the downside, guys. That's how I gotta play it.
Order
Somebody
filled.
said they're in a game.
Nice. So I got stopped out there. Could be going
wanna,
down here, but
you
like I
have to
said,
go
don't
around,
want to
like,
do
go
too
around, guys.
much. Don't want to risk too much. It's not really no point.
So far, right? Rejection off the 14 EMA. So I will want to see us lose the low here, 506.
Don't tell me we got a wick like that,
And
right?
continue to the downside, guys.
Order
Nothing's
filled.
stopping us now, right, from heading down here. But we'll see. 462 would be an area of interest or lower if they're going to push this thing to the downside.
It's really my bad.
Right? Previous lows, like sitting down there. All right, let's see if I get yoked again, guys. All right, there's 20 points. Come on, guys. 20 points.
We should take out all these wicks here.
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. All right, there's 20 points. Let's see if we get a flush. All right, we're going to take that off, guys. Unreal. Unreal. You got to love it. Reaction right back up so far. Triple bottom. Well, I mean, it could form. Yeah, you need one more candle though. I personally think it's gonna flush these lows down here at 462, guys. But we'll see, right? Because we've already that's the frustration of it, right? We've already had a retracement to the EMA and we rejected, so they head back down. It's just a matter of, can they take it here? Now, if we hold this level, absolutely, right? If we start to kind of hold this level here, then yeah. So the low of this candle, 24,475. The low of the current candle, 480, right? So 480 was the low. So we'll kind of see. Not a lot of and I'm kind of playing into the theory, guys, right? On the 15-minute chart. The rejection off the EMAs. And then you get this 2-candle pattern, and then this candle basically flushes the lows and heads a lot lower. And you got a lot of time left on the current 15-minute candle, guys, so got to keep an eye on it. If we lose 462, there you go. Right now, it's starting to put in some lower lows.
Order filled.
Beaut.
We lose
Beaut.
that 462, right?
So yeah, it ended up playing out, man. I'm kind of mad that I kind of had my stops kind of so tight, but I didn't want to give back that much profit, so that was like a that was 18-point stop.
They got stopped out there because they were trying to go long.
That was an 18-point stop. I could have probably even did 20, and I wouldn't even been stopped out, man. So
for the good day.
We definitely done now.
Hey, congrats, you did all the work, not me, right?
So let me see this one at
Yeah,
522.
like it's not clean right now. That's
Enter that 522.
Right? We're putting in lower lows at this point, but these little
And I got out at 540.
Right? Basically, right? Price puts in a low and then it's
That was just straight. That was just straight shitty entry, low key. We got in at the close of that candle, pretty much a little bit under that, to be honest, on this wick, and wasn't trying to give 30 points, to be honest. I had to give like
I mean, that's trading.
40. It broke it on this candle, so this high was 57.
Right? I mean, you got to call it what it is. But never fear, as we got a new 5-minute candle that opened. Okay, so now this is starting to kind of frame itself out. We had a lower low that was put in, right? Lower low. You want price to push up from some kind of lower high and then continuation to the downside at this point, right? That would be ideal, guys. So if you're a bear, you don't want 24,449 to get taken out. Previous candle's high. You want that to stay intact because we've already rejected the EMAs. I mentioned the short off the EMA. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so we done, chat.
The problem is, will it get there, right? So that's
631 on the day.
Off the EMA. See how we're selling down right now? We might not get back to the EMA. That's the problem. We might not get all the way back to the EMA. To be honest, we'll see.
And I was a little timid taking this too, to be honest, but
after that big momentum push, guys, right? We had a big momentum push to the upside. We had a push.
Now we're done now, chat.
Downside, obviously, and then now we're headed lower.
509 to this.
Just a matter of
my entry price was way better. Oh no. That was at 522. Not really. So like 509 was
15 points on 2 trades, I believe, actually, right?
Got in back on this candle. like I said,
D, I'm having a bad day following you, my friend. I'm losing. Well, my account's green, so I'm not sure what you're doing, but you might want to look at your sizing, right? So I'm sized appropriately, guys.
actually, I got stopped out right here, and this
On that
high
gap,
was 543. So yeah.
So I'm not gonna, you could have took well, first of all, we're not a signal service, right? But if you took the trades that I called out, you were up 15 points, more than likely, probably on each trade.
So I didn't
right?
get into
Probably
right here.
So
No. That's the one what the one I lost 1025. I got in right
exactly.
here.
If you're losing, you're not listening. Yeah, I hate to be that guy, guys, but
So I should have had
I'm
my
literally-
stop up here.
right.
But
The 2 trades that I closed out for like a 10-point stop.
we good,
whatever it
chat. We
was,
good. We good. We
literally-
good.
the
We
trades-
donezo.
the trades were literally green.
All right, man. See y'all
So,
boys
inside of the whole
tomorrow,
thing,
man.
I don't hit buy or sell for
Nice
it,
way to
right?
start the week off.
At all. I'm just trying to manage my risk, guys. The account's green.
And,
$500, right?
That's it. I took that last trade right there because I seen this 4 hour. We had these nice wicks to the downside, so I was like,
and
okay,
that
we should
price moves
definitely
in the
take
direction
out
you want it to move, and then it moves back the opposite direction. There's
these
definitely
levels
a
down
reason
here.
for that, right?
the low it is at 475.
But
Yeah.
so like even like
So I
here,
definitely like I said, I thought that we was gonna take out this low here, so
and then because the frustration here is that there's a lot of bearish momentum. There's a lot of room to the downside, guys, but that doesn't mean that it has to happen right away, right? So you're going off the higher time frame.
all right, chat, we gone. So
And what I mean by that is, I mean, you can get down as low as
till next time.
level down here, 240 area, guys. There's a lot of room, but you need the momentum to have follow
Yep.
to the downside.